Welcome back. Another episode of Frankenstein unboxing action figures. Today we got Commander Steel. Oh, Commander Steel from McFarlane Toys. Just stupid apples. Ooh, Alex Ross painting on the back. That's nice.
Thanks, Frankenstein. That means a lot. You know I take pride in my work, and it only goes to, oh my God.
Oh, we got a trading card in the... I keep ripping through my fingers.
Hey, man, don't move me up.
Got some extra fingers with hands right there. Got the pointy finger. I always like that.
Oh, nice.
Put that there for now. Oh, he's already in a great pose. Look at him. Michael Jackson. And up here, I got my Mattel. Yep, Rob Liefeld was right. Todd's just gonna make him bigger just to F with us. I do actually like this figure. I do. I've got a love-hate relationship with Todd McFarlane Toys. Oh my God, this is difficult. There we go. Yeah, but it's pretty cool. Regular eyes.
Oh, nice.
Glowing eyes.
Yeah.
Well, Todd McFarlane, Commander Steel. Good.